Hey guys, it's Candy, and if you want to get all the tea about this Miracle Knots install, keep watching. So the hair is from ISEE Hair, and once I saw the packaging, I was absolutely in love. It's given quality, it's given luxury, and I'm here for it all. So yes, this is the box, a cute hot pink box, and then they have this satin package that they sent the hair in. We have the hair, it's 5 packages, and this is their kinky curly crochet human hair. Yes, this is how it looks outside of the pack, and it does have the thread in the middle. They do have all of the details that you will ever need about the company and the hair and a edge band. So guys, my hair is ready to go. So I start by doing the braids, and for miracle knots you do braid your own hair at first. And my method for installation, there are many methods. I do braid, and once I get almost to the end, I'm actually feeding in one piece of the crochet hair and just braiding that into the end. And I feel like this will help to give it a seamless, more natural finish. And so this is the first one. For the first row, I only added the hair to the end. I didn't add any pieces at the top. But for the second row and beyond, I did both add the hair at the end, which you see me doing. So once I have like an inch left at the end, that's when I start braiding in. And I actually start braiding that thread portion in the middle of the hair. Yes, that's the section of the crochet hair that I actually attach to my hair. Yes. And then no, at the top, I go ahead and insert my crochet tool, and then I just knot the hair once. Yes, quick and easy. So this is just the first method, guys, but for the most part I did use another method, which I'm going to show you in the next clip. And this next method will allow you to easily remove the crochet hair for reuse. So if you are planning to reuse the hair and you want for the takedown to be much easier, then this is the method. So I'm now taking a piece of hair. Once I braid for an inch, I take a piece of hair, and in the center again where the thread is, I start to feed that into my braid, and I clip off the first piece of curl, and I'm just continuing to braid until I get to the end of where the thread stops. So you're just braiding, and then once you look or feel where that thread portion stopped, then I just clip off that next section, or the second piece of the hair, and continue braiding. And again, once I get to the end and there's only like an inch left, I'm going to be feeding in another piece of the hair at the end. So for the most part, each of my braid has 2 pieces of those crochet hairs. Yes. And pretty much that is the process, guys. We're doing the same thing, but I'm going to show you, of course, one more time. Yes, so these are the 2 pieces of um hair at the top. I'm fluffing them out because we already know we want that dramatic big look. All right, so again with the last one, we are braiding, feeding in, and the same process continues. But guys, a little bit about the hair again. This is ISEE Hair's Kinky Curly Crochet Human Hair. Yes, and this is 16 inches long, guys. This is 100% real human hair, and so you already know the quality is amazing. It is super soft. When I say soft, I mean absolutely soft and totally weightless. The hair is reusable, it's washable. I did not wash it before I installed it. Why? Once I took that hair out of the package and I smelled the hair, guys, I've never had this experience where I smell the hair straight out of the package and it smells freshly washed. So I did not wash it for that reason. But guys, yes, so we are done. This is how the hair looks once we are done with the installation. But of course, I am spraying the hair down just to relax the curls a little bit. Yes, we want to loosen that so that we can activate the curls, just to give it a more kinky curly look, as opposed to the other side where it's like a kinky look. All right, so I'm using my detangle brush to brush those curls out, and you can see how nice and juicy those curls are. It's easy to brush and there is absolutely no shedding. So I'm adding a little bit of mousse also, and that will help to activate the curls and to add a healthy shine. Again, if you look on one side as opposed to the other side, you can already tell the total dramatic change in the look. But guys, this is the finished look. Yes, we are all done with the installation, and guys, look at how nice and fluffy the hair is. I am absolutely blown away. I am amazed. The hair is so soft. It feels and looks so natural. And this install is very DIY friendly. It is easy to install because of the fact that these pieces of hairs are feather crochet pieces with the thread. It makes it so easy to secure the hair, and there is no chance of the hair slipping, sliding, or none of that. But guys, I am a huge fan. Look at the texture of that hair. And guys, this is 5 packs, and so you do get a nice full volume. And of course, you know, there is a lot of versatility that comes with this type of install. I did do the miracle knot method, and of course, I can do a middle part if I so choose. Yes, to change up the look. So I am here for that. Versatility is high on my list of priorities with any style that I do. So yes, this is so far a win. And of course, you know, we have to also go in with some further stylings. So we are going to be doing half up, half downs, because why not? This is just a cute option if you want to consider styling the hair away from your face. Then of course this is the simplest style ever. And then who doesn't like a high ponytail? I definitely do. I was having too much fun with this hair, and don't even talk about this next style with this high bun and those two tendril cute curls hanging. Oh Lord. Guys, the link for this hair and a discount code will be in the description box below. So be sure to check that out so that you guys can get your hands on this hair if you so choose. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate you. Thanks to ISEE Hair. This hair is everything. And I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye.